What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel once again. It's Rios Financial. Today I'll be discussing the two call option plays I bought earlier today. This is my road to 200K. I should hit it later this year, so I want to bring you guys along the journey, and I want to document my whole process with you guys. So if you guys don't mind, can you guys please smash the thumbs up, leave your comments down below, leave your thoughts down below whether you think this is a good move or bad move. I know I'm starting to be more aggressive in the stock market. This is because I have a high goal, and that's to hit $200,000 by the end of the year. My real goal is to hit $250,000 because $50,000 will probably go to taxes and all that good stuff. So let's get right into it. The first call option play I bought today was Clover, $10 strike price. Premium was about $2.30. I bought this around like 8:30 in the morning. I was heading to the gym and I was like, let me check the market. Let me see how the premiums cost, all that good stuff. So I saw that Clover was kind of down today and I was like, you know what? This stock has been oversold a lot. A lot of negative reports, a lot of short sellers. So I was like, you know what? I do believe this company could be above $15 by the end of the year. So let me buy a call option play. My call option play does expire in December 2021. I bought 2 contracts. So the total of this play was roughly about $460, $450. So that's my first call option play I bought today. My second call option play I bought today was Upwork. Upwork stock has been like in a tremendous run. I actually own this stock and I sold it around $30 a share. I bought it when it was around $12. I took my profits. I placed it on another stock that I do believe has more upside in the long term, even though Upwork does have a lot of potential in the long run as well. But I just was up like 300% and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just take my profits, place it on another stock that is a growth stock as well. That one was a $50 strike price with premium of 3.92. I only bought 1 contract of this. It does end in April 16, 2021. The only reason why I bought 1 contract for this one was because like it's a high risky play with high reward. So the total cost with this play was like $392. But like that's a lot of money on a like risky play for me. So I kind of like want to lower my risk on this one too. My total cost of these 2 call option plays were roughly about $850 if you add up both call options I bought. I bought 2 contracts for Clover and 1 contract for Upwork. Now let's get right into my both these. Now that I discussed which were the call options I bought earlier today, let's get right into why I bought Clover and why I bought Upwork today. But before we say that, I do want to disclose I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Please do your own call options. I don't want to be responsible for your losses or gains. You know, you make that own choice yourselves. So let's get right into it. Why Clover? In my personal opinion was because stock has been oversold ever since earning reports. Personally, I think earning reports were pretty good. But a lot of other people think otherwise. This is why the stock has been oversold. Earlier this month, when the correction happened, the stock hit like $6. I actually placed a call option play, $8 strike price. Premium was like, I don't know, like 1 something. I did take like $150 profit. But now I'm looking into the stock a little bit more and I'm just like, bro, like this stock has been oversold. Earnings report was not even that bad. You know, Wall Street is just misunderstanding this stock. Wall Street, the thing with Wall Street is that they're old school. Like, their brains can't process new school stocks or new school companies. So it takes them a while so they could get the hang of the stock. So I do expect them to start realizing like, oh damn, like Clover is a pretty decent stock in the next few months. This is when the stock will start upticking. In my personal opinion, so this is why I bought Clover call option plays today. So now let me talk about the risk of Clover. The risk with Clover is like, you know, there's a pretty good amount of risk. One of them is that it's a growth stock. So if the market goes down, Clover will be hit pretty hard. As you guys can see earlier this month, the stock market went down like 5-6% or something like that. Clover went down like 40% or something like that. So it's kind of like if the stock market goes down, Clover will go down even more than the overall stock market. Also, the other risk I see with Clover is that Wall Street, you know, like how I mentioned, Wall Street is just like so old school. So they're like so behind. So when they hit a stock, they just write short reports on any stock they dislike or they don't understand because they're lazy. So the risk with that is that Wall Street might just end up writing short reports on Clover saying it's a scam. You just stay away from this stock. It'll scare people away. The stock will get oversold again. In my personal opinion, I don't mind if that happens simply because I'll just keep buying call option plays on this stock. Even though that is risky, call option plays is very risky. So you guys should stay away from call option plays if you guys are new to the market. So when would I sell my Clover call option plays? In my personal opinion, it's when it hits my target. I have a personal target when I'm going to get out of this play. I think if you're in call options, you should always have a target because if you don't have a plan, you're going to be like dead in the water. So like you're never going to know what to do. So once it hits my price target, I will sell. Or my second option is if I see a better opportunity in the market, I'll take my profits if I have profits. and I'll place it on the better opportunity I see. I usually do not like selling at a loss, but I do know that sometimes you have to swallow your pride, take that loss, and just go to another opportunity you see in the market. So this is what I'm gonna do, or what my plan is with the Clover. So my second call option was Upwork. So why Upwork? I placed an option on Upwork simply because like they reported great earnings earlier this month. I think it was like late February or something like that. So earnings report was great. Stock has been downtrending ever since that. So it's kind of like I'm placing a bet that the stock would start uptaking from here on out. I'm usually a type of person that doesn't make decision off graphs, charts. I don't like to read on none of that, because for me that's all nonsense. Like you can't place your money just because the graph says that. That's my personal opinion, but in this case, I am going based on what the charts tell me. Even though I'm kind of contradicting myself, but I do believe the fundamentals is aligned with the charts. I do expect this stock to start uptaking very soon. So what are the risks with Upwork? The risk with Upwork is simply because time is not on my side. This call option play expires in April, so I only have like less than a month, April 16th. So like I have about a month, so everything will go as planned. So the risk is time is not on my side. It's a risky play, and it's not profitable yet. If the market goes down, Upwork will probably go down even worse than the overall market. What's my plan with Upwork? Once again, is basically when it hits my price target, my gains, or my potential what I see in this stock, I will sell. If you guys want to know when I sell my call option plays, just follow me on Instagram, financial_reels. I do screenshot and I post everything there. I keep everyone updated on my followers. So when would I get on Upwork? When it hits my price target, or when I see a better opportunity just like Clover. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to document my process to my road to 200K. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Leave your comments down below. You guys have a wonderful day.